Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to print two materials on the 3D printer. Specifically, when we look at this model on the screen here, it's a prototype of a drinking bottle, and the handle area here would definitely benefit from some soft material, touch points for the user. At the moment it's just all the same material, and so we're going to add some material in here to help the user use it more comfortably. So let's get into it. I'm going to use the surface environment, and from the create menu I'm going to create an offset of that surface. So you can see the offset menu appears. I'm going to go inside here and just make sure that all of these surfaces on the inside here, these are the surfaces I want to offset and create a separate body from and print from a different material. So I'm going to maintain the dimensions that have been made here, and I'm going to make the offset into the body. Now you can see it's defaulted to 10. It's probably a bit much, so I'll use 3 as my offset, and I'm creating a new body there. I'll click OK. Just to show you what's going on here, I'm going to turn off the drink bottle itself, and here you see the new body that's created. But one thing you should note is that this is a surface. It's about as thin as a hair, and that can't be printed, so we need to thicken it up so that it's a printable 3D body. That's easy to do. From the create menu we'll choose thicken, and if I turn that main body back on, I chose to go out with my offset, so I'm going to have to come back in. So I'll click on the inside surfaces of this surface here, because I want to bring them back in by the offset distance that I push them out. In this case it will be 3 millimeters. It's going to create a new body. I'll click OK, and just so we can see the difference, I'll return to the solid environment. You'll see I now have a new body added to my browser. From the appearance menu, I pressed A. I'm just going to look up rubber, even though this won't be rubber, this will be TPU, but this will just show us the effect. I'll just use a white silicon, turn the main bottle back on, and now you can see they are overlapped, and one of them is going to be printed from a TPU material and the other will be printed from perhaps a PLA. And that's it.